So this is how you can color grade in CapCut. Hey everyone, welcome to our guide for CapCut. Today you will learn how to color grade your videos. Now go ahead and open up CapCut, make a project, and add the video that you want to color grade. Now, this is my video. It's just a video of my keyboard and yeah. So go ahead and tap on the clip that you want to edit. Scroll down until you can find adjust right here. Now, you're gonna want to go ahead and tap on this adjust tab and then just adjust the brightness, contrast, and whatever's here however you like. So go ahead and just maybe add 10 to this. It's honestly just up to you, whatever you want, however vibe you want it to feel like. So if I want to go for a more neon vibe, I'm gonna brighten these all up like so. And as you can see, it's already coming into shape. Maybe up the brightness, and yeah, there you go. It's now a bit more neon, a bit brighter, and you can do the opposite if you want it to be dark. So I'm just gonna put it all down, maybe sharpen it. Basically, you just have to learn what color grading is all about and the things that you need to, take note of, and maybe like these specific, numbers that you need to do. For example, maybe you need to add 10 to brightness. And yeah, you can even use these if you have CapCut Pro. You can go ahead and match a color. For example, I'm just gonna apply this, and apparently it does color matching. I don't really know what that's about. And you can fix these, or you can go ahead and find filters that have already been pre-made. Let's try this. There you go. It looks a bit more wider, clearer, and yeah. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.